Bonjour, je m'appelle Dr. Tin et bienvenue à French 2311, chapitre 5, leçon 6. Chapitre 5, leçon 6. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les saisons et comment demander la question quel temps fait-il? Nous allons étudier les saisons et comment demander la question quel temps fait-il? Hello, my name is Dr. Tin and welcome to French 2311, Chapter 5, Lesson 6. Today we are going to study the seasons, and how to ask the question, how does the weather look like? Quel temps fait-il? Ça va? J'espère que vous allez très bien. Page 123, 124. Page 123, 124. Quel temps? Quel temps? Okay, the S is silent. Okay, because the P is not pronounced and the EM is nasalized as So, quel temps fait-il? Okay, you've come across fait before, right? So, il fait has been inverted, right? Il y a l'inversion. There is an inversion here. The verb comes first, followed by the pronoun. So, quel temps fait-il? Okay, what does the weather? Temps here means the weather, right? The weather. Is it cold? Is it beautiful outside? Is it hot? Right? Is it snowing? Right? It is raining. Is it raining? Okay. So, quel temps fait-il? And now the seasons, right? Les saisons. The seasons. Une saison féminin. Les saisons. Une saison féminin. Then, et le temps. The seasons and the weather. Le temps can mean the time. Time, Time. Here it means the weather. WEATHER. Okay. Le temps. Les saisons, the seasons. So, let's go over the seasons first. Okay. Les saisons. It is feminine. Seasons are feminine in French. So you say la saison or une saison. Okay? And here, le printemps. Spring. Okay, you realize it is masculine, right? Okay. L'été. Summer. Masculin. Okay. L'automne. Masculin. Fall. Right. Fall. Très bien. L'hiver. Winter. Okay. l'hiver, winter, l'automne, fall, where the leaves are falling. Okay, of course, you can also say autumn, 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 right? Which is spelled without the E, right? Autumn, autumn, right? And there's a U here, all right? A U here, English. There's a U here, and then M, N, right? U, M, N. And there's no E. So autumn, autumn, autumn. And you can also say fall. All right. Now we are going to learn how to say in spring or in the spring, and then we will follow it up with how the weather will look like in those seasons. To say in the spring, this is just spring, le printemps, right? To say in the spring, see how it is said? It is said in French, how they say it in French. Au printemps, il fait. See the il fait? Right? The question, quel temps fait-il? How does the weather look like? In the spring, right, the weather is il fait, is used to express how the weather looks like. So, il fait frais, 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 frais. Looks like fresh, right? It means cool. Cool. Okay? So in the spring, the weather is cool, right? L'été, summer. You want to say in the summer, in summer, you will use en. Okay, en été, in the summer, il fait beau. It is nice outside. It is beautiful outside. Il fait. The weather is beautiful. Or, il fait du soleil. Soleil is sun, the sun. Il fait du soleil means it is sunny. Or you can do away with the du and then just say il fait soleil. Il fait soleil. Or you can say il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Of course, you've come across chaud before, which is hot. When you are using it to describe the way you feel, right? You will use the verb avoir, right? Here we are just using it. You're using chaud to describe the weather. So you will use the expression il fait, followed by chaud. Il fait chaud. It is hot. Okay, l'automne. In autumn. All right. In the fall, you will say en automne. Il pleut. Here we haven't used fait, right? The verb fait is not used. Just il pleut, which means it is raining or it rains. Il pleut. Just write il and then pleut. It rains. No fait. Don't use fait here. Just il pleut. It is raining or it rains. So in the fall, it rains, right? En automne, il pleut. Or you can just use, here you use the adjective beautiful, right? The opposite, mauvais, bad. Il fait mauvais. The weather is bad. It is bad outside. So, il fait mauvais, or you can use the weather itself. L'automne here means the weather, right? L'automne est, coming from the verb to be. L'automne est orageux. Orage means storm. Orage. Une orage, when it's a noun, means storm. S-T-O-R-M. Orageux is the adjective, the adjective, meaning stormy. S-T-O-R-M-Y. So the weather is stormy. Le temps est orageux. Le temps est orageux. Le temps est orageux. Okay. L'hiver, winter, right? To say in the winter or in winter, you will use en hiver. And how does the weather look like in winter, right? En hiver, il neige. Neige means snow. So it snows in winter. Remember that here you don't use fait, just like here, right? You use il pleut. Here you use il neige. It snows. Il neige. Okay, don't use fait there. En hiver, il neige. Okay, to say it is cold, you say il fait froid. Of course, you've come across froid already, right? Which is cold. To say I am cold, you use the verb avoir. J'ai froid. Just like you use j'ai chaud if you're talking about yourself. If you are talking about the weather, you will say il fait chaud, right? See, the same thing is happening here when you want to say it is cold. The weather, not you. Il fait froid. When it's windy, right? You see, vent means the wind, right? So if you want to say it is windy, W-I-N-D-Y, you will say il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. It is windy. Or il y a du vent. There is wind. There is some wind. Right? Il fait du vent. Il y a du vent. Right? So, let's come back to how to ask the question, how does the weather look like? To describe how the weather looks like, you have to ask the question this way. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Forget there's an inversion here, right? And the answer, right, will be here. Il, right? Il fait frais, right? So you can say il fait, which is just this, right? And then frais, it is cool, right? Or il fait beau. Il fait beau, right? Il fait beau. Or il fait chaud, or il fait soleil. You can also say il, right? If you want to say it is raining. Il pleut. Remember there you don't use fait, right? Il pleut. Il pleut. If you want to say it is snowing or it snows, il neige. Il neige. Okay? It is snowing. So know when to use fait, and when not to use it. For instance, here, if you want to say the weather is stormy, there's storm everywhere. Le temps est orageux. Orageux means stormy. Storm. Okay, let me write it very well. It's storm, right? Stormy. The weather is stormy. Le temps est orageux. Okay? Alright. So, to talk about the seasons, right? To talk about the seasons, to say in the spring, right? You will use O in front of printemps, okay? But you use en in front of été, in front of automne, in front of hiver. The explanation, right? See this, you see this and that, right? So the explanation in the summer, you see this voyelle. In autumn, right? In the fall, you see voyelle, and here in the winter, right? In winter, you see there's a silent H, and of course, you have your voyelle. So voyelle, right? You use en. In the spring, there's a consonant, so they will use this. Place le printemps. See, le printemps, it is used with the preposition a to give o. So au printemps, right? Au printemps, il fait frais, right? Okay. En été, in the summer, il fait chaud. En automne, il pleut, il fait mauvais, le temps est orageux. En hiver, il neige au Canada, il fait froid au Canada. Il y a du vent. It is windy. It's windy. The same thing. It's windy. Okay, il y a du vent, il fait du vent. They mean the same thing. Ça va? Ça va? Au revoir et à bientôt. Au revoir et à bientôt.